Today there are more freight trains at work than any other kind. Freight trains carry all sorts of things. A long freight train that bustles into a city may include boxcars filled with lumber, shoes, or baseball bats. This freight train has several flat cars carrying shiny new tractors. 1 tractor, 2 tractor, 3 tractor, 4 tractor. There are 4 tractors. A little person waving to the people down here. Trains are able to work so hard because they have strong locomotive engines that move train cars on the tracks. When locomotives need repairs, they go to a building called a roundhouse. There are wheels. There the wheels are oiled and the engines are cleaned. The other kinds of cars are cleaned outside and inside too, and the caboose may get a new coat of paint. Not all freight trains are big and long. One little train pulls empty cars deep down into a mine. When the cars come back up, they are full of coal, and they rumble and grumble along the tracks to the building where the coal is unloaded. Some small trains work in special outside places. Many zoos have their own little trains which toot to all the animals as they chug along the tracks, taking people for rides. Perhaps the engine is saying, "How do you do?" to the tigers and giraffes. There are 2 tigers and 2 giraffes. The very smallest trains work hard too. But they don't travel around a zoo or go from town to town. They usually just travel across a living room or around a backyard. Maybe you have one of these small, hard-working trains at your house.